research partnership is the best joint venture, is the best thing you can do in science, because each person has skills, has experience, and so when you partner, you are sharing and making better use of that.
As a people of research limited settings, sometimes we have people, but we don't have the equipments, we don't have the reagents, and we don't have the technical know-how. But if we can get some training, that can make a difference.
Research and partnerships are incredibly important for everybody in science. We can't do everything ourselves. We're constantly looking to colleagues.
Partnerships are vital to research and development, not only because of the knowledge exchange, but also the relationships that they build, the data sets that they facilitate, and the potential for long-term collaboration. WIPO Research is a public-private partnership that focuses on developing new drugs, treatments, and vaccines in neglected tropical diseases, malaria, and tuberculosis.
WIPO Research consists of organizations across sectors, including private industry, large pharmaceutical, biotechnology companies, academic institutions around the globe, with a strong representation of researchers working in the NTD field from low and middle income countries. Under the umbrella of WIPO Research, we've had the privilege of introducing the Australian Funds in Trust program.
So the FIT program is a joint capacity building program. It's a partnership between WIPO and the Australian government, and it's designed to build IP capacity in less developed countries and to help them to really get some of the benefits of the IP system in terms of focusing on innovation and technology transfer.
There is a huge capacity within Australian research institutions to share their knowledge with other developing countries and further research into the future.
Of course, this sabbatical is really useful for my career development because I learn new things, so I can bring the new knowledge to my country and then train many more young scientists to get better understanding and being exposed to the recent development of malaria research. I think that's really a good thing.
The FIT2 program facilitates the sharing of scientific information, know-how, and intellectual property among research institutions the world over. Equally important, it creates vast professional networks that far outlast the fellowships themselves and continue to bear fruit well into the future.
Having a fellow from Tanzania in the lab has been fantastic for just opening our eyes as to what's relevant, what's life like living in parts of the world where malaria is endemic or where the malaria scene is changing. What's important? Do they need different types of diagnostics or different types of treatments, or what are the actual drivers? You only can get that from having someone that understands it. You get a lot better from that than from reading textbooks.
I think the things that we really need are we need innovation and we need collaboration and partnerships. I think this is a great model for that because it involves partnerships between institutions, between the private sector and between governments. So I think that's a very good model for making progress.